Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started with the question I have here. And the question is it a good idea to run two separate campaigns on Google Ads, one with phrase match, one with exact match, bidding set lower than exact match campaign, keywords are same? Okay, I mean, why would you do it? Why would you do it? Because phrase and exact match are very close. Even I do not recommend a combination of even doing with the broad match are a perfectly big no. But what do you want to achieve with it? You can even run it in the same ad groups, but they are going to contradict with each other because they are going to be conflict with each other, because what are you showing with exact match is also covered in phrase match, so both are actually the same thing. Yeah, you can run for a week with phrase match, you can run it for a week with exact match and see if it differs with conversions or sales. But it's not a good idea to run two separate campaigns simultaneously on Google Ads. I wouldn't recommend it, and this may impact your quality score, this may contradict with each other, and you may eventually have to pay up more, because this is going to confuse the Google system. And I have seen that this kind of activities actually hurts your quality score, and when your quality score hurts, you actually end up paying more to Google Ads for the same ad positions for the same keyword. So my recommendation is rather running two separate campaigns simultaneously, run it for a while phrase match keywords, and then run it for a while exact match keyword, and then do the comparison to see which one is generating more sales for you, or which one is generating more revenue, or whatever your ultimate goal is, and then you can focus on that as well. But in general aspects, match keywords have a higher, you need to set higher bidding for exact match keywords, and a lower bidding for phrase match keywords, and the exact match keywords are more expensive than the phrase match. So I hope this answers the question. But in case if you're looking for a professional help with Google Ads, audit, setup, and management, just hire us through the link in the description, and me and my team gonna help you to create an awesome, amazing Google Ads campaign. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope this answered your question. And make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.